Hey guys, it's Chuck. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna bust this brass and take everything cool. This is my client, Allie. This is our first time working together, and she's looking to bring up her balayage. But more importantly, she hates the orange brassy tones. She told me that she was never looking to be this light anyway, so we are gonna change everything today. I'm painting individual pieces in this back section. I paint closer to the scalp on the edges and further away on the interior. I'm only going to show you one side of the application because I do exactly the same thing on both sides. So just repeat the same placement and technique on the left side. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and speed things up now since you know what I'm doing and show you the placement now. You'll also notice that I'm putting a good amount of space between these highlights. I don't want them to brighten her overall color, I just want them to add some pops of brightness and lightness, much like a child's hair would have. In this final back section in the crown area, I'm painting 3 points of light. The two on the exterior will be a little lower and the one in the center will be a little higher. I'm doing that because this section is so thick, I want to make sure that there are highlights that are falling into the center of the head as well. So it's super important to make sure that you're covering your bases. Let me section out this side panel really quick and then I'll show you how I tackle the sides. Here I'm painting in much skinnier sections, layering on the lightener a bit heavier on these front sections to ensure maximum brightness. I'm not going to let this lift until it becomes a blonde. However, I do want to process it a bit brighter than her current highlights so that there's some dimension between her current balayage and what I'm painting now. It would mean the world to me if you'd drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting videos every Sunday and probably a few here and there in between. So if you're interested in this kind of content, then hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out a lot. Thanks guys. I'm bringing this face frame piece up just a bit higher, not to the root, but just a bit higher. While I finish painting these last few pieces, let's discuss the toner I used to complete this look. I used Redken Shades EQ in shades 4 ABN and 6 ABN to crush the warmth, darken the look overall, and add incredible shine back. So I'm prepping her hair for blow drying today with Leaf and Flower products. I'm using the 7-minute blow dry to speed up the blow dry time, and then Frizz Remedy to control any frizz and give her a long-lasting style. I rough dry everything to begin with to knock out the majority of the moisture, and then I'm going to blow dry with a round brush to build in the volume. I also gave her a quick trim of the ends, and now it's time to curl. And if you guys are interested in learning more about how I curl hair and want to achieve this style, I have a video coming soon to show you exactly how I did this.
Yeah.
Okay, see? It's good. Let me take this piece off first, so it'll make her feel better.
Hey.
What do you think?
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Now it will brighten up a little bit from where it's at right now, but I think it's super pretty and chocolatey, really pretty.
It looks really good on my skin though.
Yeah,
Again,
it
so
does.
the dark color is like, there's boundary there. This is it.
Yeah, it's nice and chocolatey, it's not too harsh, and again, it'll soften up some so you'll get a little brighter as spring starts rolling in, so I think it'll be a really good color on you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, look at
And how about the haircut? I mean, I know it's kind of hard to tell. I layered it up a bit, so it should have a little more softness through there, a little less twitch.
Yeah, it's lighter.
If for some reason, when you start working with it, if you find that you need something adjusted, just let me know. Alrighty?
It looks good.
Yay!
It feels good. We'll see
Yeah.
how it looks in a ponytail.
Right.
Well, you're all set then.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check her out. I mean, you know you did a good job whenever they have to Instagram it before they leave the salon. See you guys next time.